Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, you're in unit 6, retirement of partners. Today we're going to discuss problem number 14. Right. Now in this problem, we're going to discuss about the adjustment of profit. We're going to discuss about the adjustment of profit, right? The adjustment of current year. Adjustment of current year's profit and loss up to the date of retirement. Up to the date of retirement. Fine. Now what will happen is sometimes the partner will not retire towards the end of the year. He might retire in the middle of the year, or sometimes after a quarter, okay, or sometimes after half year. But however, you have to settle his profit and loss, whatever belongs to him, okay, till the date of retirement. Now, for example, 2018, your academic year is from January to December, okay, 2018, January to December. Then 2019 March he is going to retire. That is after 3 months. So for the 3 months you should calculate the profit and loss and distribute it. Okay. Now how are you going to distribute it? So you have to calculate that. Now see, Rani, Jaya and Rati are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:2:1. So that means you have here Rani, okay, Jaya and Radhi are partners. They are sharing the profit in the ratio 2:2:1. That means 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5 is the ratio in which they are sharing the profit, right? And on 31/3/2008, Rati retired from the partnership. So what is the date of retirement? Date of retirement is Date of retirement is 31/3/2018, which is very important for us. Right. Now, they've given you the profit preceding. Okay, what is the profit? Profit preceding of the preceding year is as follows. See, the profit of the preceding year is as follows. So they've given you the profit that they've earned in the previous year. All right. So what is the profit of 2014? Now let us list it here. 2014, they've earned a profit of 10,000. Right. In 2015, they've earned a profit of 20,000. 2016, they've earned a profit of 18,000. 2017, they've earned a profit of 32,000. Fine. And now find out the share of profit of Rati for the year 2018 till the date of retirement. So she has retired on 31st March 2018. That means January, February, March, 3 months. Okay, for that particular year, 3 months profit and loss, you have to transfer it to Rati, right? Now, first condition, profit is to be distributed on the basis of the previous year's profit. Now, what is the previous year to 2018? 2017. So, you have to take 2017 because for that particular year, you have not calculated the profit and loss. Towards the end only, you will be calculating, right? So, you have to take the previous year. That is 2017, right? Okay, for 2017, the profit is 32,000. Okay. So first condition, you're going to take A. Let us solve A. Profit is to be distributed on the basis of the previous year. On the basis of the previous year's profit. Previous year's profit. Right. So what is the previous year's profit? Previous year's profit is this 2017, 32,000, right? Okay. So let us calculate his share. So Rati's share, Rati is going to retire, right? Rati's share of profit. Rati's share of profit. So what is Rati's share of profit for 3 months? Right, because she is retiring on 31st 2018. So let us calculate 32,000 into 3 by 12. 3 by 12 because 3 months. And what is the ratio on which she is retiring? What is the ratio? What is the profit sharing ratio you are getting? 2:2:1. That is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. Okay. Now 3 will go here 4 times. 4 will go here 8 times. Fine. Now again 5 will go here how many times? 5 ones are 5. You have 3 balance. Okay. Then you have 5, 6 are 30. So 1,600. There you got. Rupees 1,600 is Rati's profit for 3 months. Now let us pass journal entry for that. So date, okay, date, particulars, then you have LF, debit, and credit. So rupees. Okay. Now what was the year? 31st March 2018. Right. Okay. Now let us pass the journal entry. I think it's smudging too much. So let us select a thickener. Okay. Profit and loss. Suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account. Okay. Profit and loss suspense account to Rati's capital. Okay. Narration. Rati's current year's share of profit. Current year's share of profit credited to capital account. Credited to her capital account. Right. Credited to her capital account. So amount is how much? 1,600. Fine. Okay, that was one condition. Now second condition I'm going to teach you. Second condition is when the profit is to be distributed on the basis of the average profit of 4 years. Now profit is to be distributed. Profit is to be distributed. Profit is to be distributed on the basis of the average profit of 3 years. No, here it is 4 years. Okay. Now on the basis of 4 years. Now Rati is going to retire on 31st March, and for 3 months you have to give her her share of profit. Now how are you going to calculate if it is going to be average? You're not going to take the previous year's profit. You're going to take the average of all the profit of 4 years, and then you're going to give her share. So first of all, let us calculate the average profit. So average profit for 4 years. So average profit is equal to, now we already have the figure here, right? What are the figures you have? You are having the profit here. Let us copy the profit 10, 20, 18 and 32. Okay, so let us add the profit. Okay, so let us add 10,000 for 2014. Okay, 2014 This is 15, 10,000. And then for 16, you had 18,000. And then you had 32,000. Right. So let us find the average divided by 4. So that is how much? 30, 48, 48, 50, 60, 70, 80,000. Right? 80,000 divided by 4. So that will be rupees 20,000. Right. So this is the average profit. Now keeping this profit, you're going to calculate his share. Now how are you going to calculate the share? Rati's share of Rati's share of profit for 3 months. Right. So that is what? Rupees 20,000 into 3 by 12, because 3 months, into 1 by 5. That is how they're sharing the profit and loss. So that's their profit sharing ratio. Right. So now with this, 3 will go here 4 times. Right. 4 will go here 5. Fine. 5 is again going to go here 1 time. So you have rupees 1,000. 1,000 is Rati's share of profit. Fine. Now let us pass journal entries. Same date, particulars, LF column, debit and credit. Right, rupees. Now here 2018 you have March 31st. Now you're going to transfer to the Rati's capital account, and temporarily you're going to post it in profit and loss suspense account till you are going to pay off the amount, right? So profit and loss suspense account data to Rati's capital account, So amount is how much? 1,000 rupees. Okay, that is her share of profit till the rate of retirement that particular year, current year. Okay, so Rati's current year share of profit credited to her capital account. Okay, so that's it. You completed problem number 14. Next, I'll teach you problem number 15. Right? From 16th problem onwards, you will be having big problem, 6-mark question problem, where you will be doing all the adjustments. Okay, it will be a comprehensive problem, including all the adjustments.